Welcome guys. Today we are going to see an indicator that can get you some juicy profit. When you go through some other videos about an accurate indicator, most of those video will show you lagging indicator which can cause some real losses. That's why today we are going to unveil an indicator that is non-lagging and also accurate. To find this indicator, simply go to the Indicator tab and search Faytterro Bands. And select the first one. Now just follow the steps and make sure not miss any part because we will be needing another indicator to identify the fake outs. As you can see in the video, when the market touches the green line, it usually indicates us to buy, and when the market touches the red we do the opposite. Okay, let's see how the indicator reacts to the market volatility and how effective it is in real trades. You can see how the market touches the red line of the indicator, so we will take a long from that candle. Okay, so hit the red line, which is our take profit zone, because remember that when the market touches the red line we need to take short from there. My advice will be to take 1 to 1.5 risk to reward in this type of trade. Now let's see further. Remember, this indicator can help you identify when the market is in ranging, or we can say the chop zone. Again, we can see that the market touches the red line, which indicates us a possibility for a short position. Let's see how it works, and remember our take profit will 1.5 times the risk or the green line to book profit. As we can see, it hits the target, which is the green line. And again, from the green line it goes for the red line, which can be a possible long position. Now we can see that there is a strong move in the market, mainly because of manipulation in the market. To identify our entry and to reduce fake outs like this, we will use another indicator, which is stochastic RSI. We can take the entry for long when market again comes back between the line formation and there is bullish crossover in the RSI, as we can see in the chart. Now we can see that the market is creating a short time support, and if we get a bullish crossover in the RSI we can take a long trade from there with a 1.5 times risk to reward. And it hits our target for the profit. Guys, please make sure to support this channel so I can create more videos like this, and please comment your views on this indicator. We can do it multiple times and can book profit multiple times. But remember, make sure to use both the indicator for better results. Again, we can see that the market hits the red line, which indicates a possible sell opportunity. And there's also a bearish crossover in the RSI. And remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.